This bird woke up in the morning and blessed. It's breathing, hustling, it's trying to get it, trying to feed itself, it's taking care of itself. Always put yourself first. If you eat, you're full, maybe you can feed the others. Or if you find something big, you can go share with the others. Sharing is caring. But it's putting yourself first. It's looking, moving stuff, hustling, trying to get it, trying to get some food. Don't be lazy. Be like this bird. You're strong. You can do it. I know you can do it. See this bird all by itself. It's finding it. It's getting it. It's not complaining, nothing. You know, that's how you feed yourself. So long story short, love yourself and always put yourself first. Never give up. Keep looking. Look, it went from all the way down there, all over. It's right there. Put yourself first. God is good, and I love you. ZON life. Subscribe. Thanks.